Rise and shine, Value Farm family. Welcome back to another episode of The Farm. If you are new here, you are most welcome. Please consider subscribing and also turn your notification bells not to miss out on any videos on the channel. And of course, to all our returning subscribers, thank you so much. We really appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for loving Value Farm. Thank you so much for loving the content that we, showcase on the channel. You guys are gems. We appreciate you guys so much. And we love you guys. So, we are back at the farm and we have a lot to share with you guys. It is a kidding season. We have so many updates that we need to share with you guys. Yeah, at the farm, because we always come here to share with you guys ideas. We come here to share with you knowledge. We come and tell you the progress of the farm. And of course, we also want to learn from you guys because we share everything, our experiences in the comment section. And of course, by the time you guys are ready to come here, we are going to even share more experiences with you guys. Why I wanted to also show you guys about the kids that we have at the farm. Remember that we are crossbreeding our goats. So for someone out there who is planning to maybe start a goat farm, these goats compared to the local goats, if you're to just breed the local goats, there's a big difference. That's what I should really tell you guys. So I want to take you guys inside here so that I can show you some of the kids that we have inside so that you can see the difference. So come along with me so that we can be able to see what's happening. So guys, this is our goat house. This is our modern raised goat house. The thing is, it's already around 10 and the goats are already outside. Oh my God, it's so windy right now. But the goats are already out, so the kids remain inside here. They don't go out with the mothers. The mothers first breastfeed them early in the morning before they go out grazing. Then they will come back here to feed them again later on after a few hours. So the kids are here and I want to show you guys how these kids really look like. Guys, the house is really clean. They've already cleaned the house early in the morning. So it's just so fresh in here. It's amazing. Let's go and check on our other goats. So guys, these are our little kids right here. These kids are just so amazing, guys. If I'm to tell you guys how old these kids are, you'll be really so shocked. These kids are just so friendly. These kids here are crosses of the Boer. Then also the Alpine mixes are also there. But they are really, really so friendly. They always want the people. They are not scared of the people. And if I'm to tell you this one here, this one is just like not less than a week, guys. This one here is around 5 days, as you can see this one here. Then this one I think has already made a week, but you see the size, guys. Can't even believe this. These are crosses. So my dear farmers out there, please invest on the pure breeds. You're going to really benefit so much. This one here is 3 days. This one here, and this is also a pure, at least a cross Boer. This one here, it is 3 days only, but see the size. Look at their sizes, guys. Can you even believe that it's 3 days? No, because I remember bringing a neighbor of ours here and they checked out the kids. They were like, oh my God, is this just born today? They are long in size. Like this one is tall. This is just 3 days, like I was telling you. But see the size of it. It is just so big. And this really grows very fast and you definitely benefit very fast. So the genetics of these ones will also be good for your flock. Sometimes the pure breeds can be really expensive, but at least invest on the crosses because these ones are also going to yield you more. The genetics from these ones are going to really give you better breeds at your farm. You're going to benefit faster. You're going to get profits as quick as possible from the crosses. So guys, you see how they are all over me? These goats are not like the local who get scared and run away from you. They are really, really amazing crosses. I'm not lying to you. Do this. It's an experiment. Pick at least a cross from somewhere, or you can come of course here so that we can also show you how our crosses are. Let's go to a different section so that I can also show you the other things, the other updates that we have at the farm, because we also have a new sheep Our sheep delivered last evening. I wanted to also show you guys how it is, the progress, because we are taking the sheep business, by the way, also serious. And by the way, we also release them to go out to eat some grass. But of course, the guy who's taking care of them has gone for breakfast. But we also take them to feed, and also we give them some hay. So this is what we use to put in for their feeds when they're inside here. Yeah, so that's basically it, guys, for these kids. This one here is 2 weeks. Guys, can you believe this goat is 2 weeks? See how old it is. See how it is looking. Can you really, guys, believe this one? It is 2 weeks old. Wow. Look at this boa cross. This one is, I think, 3 days as well. This little one here, it is 3 days, guys. See how tall they are. It's so amazing. Makes you a proud farmer. We have salt that they lick onto so that at least they can be able to feed more, because salt really helps them even to drink more water. So this is the salt they have for the kids section. And every section that we have inside here also has salt. So you can also get this. For people who have been asking me, where can I get the salt? You just go to the feed shops. People in Uganda or within Kampala, you can go to Container Village. You ask for this brown salt here. They can definitely give it to you. These ones here are twins, by the way, guys. We need to name these kids as well. So suggest your names, guys, down below so that we can give these kids names. So for the tagging process, we always tag our goats at least after 1 month. That's when we start at least tagging them. Going to check out our sheep that of course we have here. So come along with me. So guys, we are here and we have our sheep. Oh my god, she's so scared. I think she's so scared of me being around. The lamb is just a very new baby here. It was just born this morning, guys, so around 6 in the morning. So it's barely a day. You can see how it is. The beauty about sheep is they really grow very fast, and they're very disease resistant. We've so far brought here sheep, but we don't even spend so much in them. We don't even treat them that much. But wait, after like a month or 2, I'll definitely also show you this kid here, how it is big. So anyone who wants to venture into sheep rearing, is market for sheep and also lamb out there, and it doesn't cost you so much to start a sheep farm. That is just a simple update, guys. So let's go to the piggery section, because we also let our pigs, by the way, go out to eat some greens as well. So let me take you guys there so that you can see what really happens and how we are doing it, because you need to also learn something from this video. So let's go. So guys, we are here at the piggery section, our permanent piggery house. So on top of giving them the feeds every morning and evening, we also let our piglets go out. Not only piglets, all the pigs, by the way, the piglets and the pigs out so that they can eat some grass. The area that they are going, of course, has been closely monitored. There are no infections. We don't let people come in here anyhowly. So at least they're not going to contract diseases out there. So we're going to let them out to exercise a bit, to eat some greenery from the outside. What we normally do, we take each section We have different sections for the sows, for the gilts, then we have for the wind pigs, then we have wind pigs, of course, of different ages as well. This other section here is mostly for the wind piglets. Then these ones here are for the sows that are expecting, that have just furrowed. This is their other section because of the sizes. Today we are going to take, of course, the wind piglets that we have of a certain age, of the same size as well, so that they can go outside. Because I know most of you have been asking us, we've been telling you guys we always give them some greenery, but you've never actually seen how we do it. So today we are going to take them outside so that you can see the whole process and how they are really so happy. They get so excited, and we do this once a week per section. So guys, you really see how the piglets are really so happy when they're exercising. Even if it was someone like you, you've been enclosed in a section for a long time and you get released, guys, it is happiness only. So these piglets are really so happy. They are grazing, they're running all over the place. But of course, we are also monitoring where they are going. They are here eating the grass, which is really so good to them as well. So we are not free-ranging the piglets right now, but we give them time to also go out and also eat some greens and exercise. It is good for your pigs, guys. When they get tired, by the way, they just go back to their pens. That is the beauty about it. So my lovely farmers, we are back with the piglets, back to their pen star. They are really cooling off. What I've realized with the piglets, when they came in, everyone was struggling for water. So they're trying to cool off, they're trying to drink more. Remember, I always tell you guys, the pigs to really grow faster, they need to take enough water. So if you realize that your pigs are not drinking enough water, lose weight, they fall sick. We are using IMO, that is the beauty about it, and it is very cool. So they're just rolling around in the wood shavings. So next time that we are going to feed them, of course, will be around 3 p.m. in the evening for their second meal, which is really a good supplement to the pigs that have really gone out to graze. So my dear farmers, aspiring farmers out there, this is something that I needed to also show you and also share with you guys so that you can also be at the same page with us at Value Farm. So I think that is what I had for you today for this video. I don't want to make it long, but I wanted to also give you at least some updates on these things that you never see on videos that we showcase on the channel. So guys, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Do not keep the knowledge to yourselves. Share with your friends and family. Tell a friend to tell a friend. In case you have any suggestions, in case you have any comments, please leave them down below in the comment sections. Any inquiries, leave them in the comments down below so that we definitely come here and also clarify them. And of course, we can't wait to host you guys when you come to Value Farm. We are soon letting you guys know when we shall definitely get you guys to come to Value Farm so that you can learn more, so that you can see what is actually happening at Value Farm. But we appreciate everyone who has been supportive so far. In case you want to support the channel, in case you want to support anything at Value Farm, guys, we have membership at the channel. We also have our Patreon account that you can definitely become a member and you support the cause at Value Farm. But we love you guys so much. Subscribe. Till next time. Bye-bye.